Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Need your IBAN number from Halifax? Let's quickly walk through how to find it in your Halifax app. It's easy. First of all, open your Halifax mobile banking app. Once you are logged in, head to the Accounts section. Select the account you need the IBAN for, like your current or savings account. Now tap on account details. You should see your account number and short code. Here's where the magic happens. Take note of your short code and account number. Now let's calculate your IBAN. IBAN stands for International Bank Account Number. To calculate it, Halifax uses your 6-digit short code and your 8-digit account number and adds a UK country code GB followed by a 2 check digit. For example, if your short code is 123456 and your account number is 12345678, your IBAN would look something like this: GB12 HB UK 12345612345678. Now Halifax users can also directly get the full IBAN by tapping View IBAN from your account details for instant access. And that's it. You have now found your IBAN number in the Halifax app. Quick and easy. Thanks for watching.